Okay.
Last time I went over there, he went over where I was.
Okay. He's not supposed to.
Mama,
Yeah, okay.
can I have a turn?
No.